Hey bitches, Elle with Roselle's Creations. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for the subscriptions, and I appreciate all likes, comments, and shares. I try to get back to every one of you guys. Now let's get into it. So today we are doing a watercolor acrylic tumbler. I'm using a 16-ounce straight as fuck from Mother Tumbler. I'll have that link down in the bio. And I spray painted this cup Head in the Clouds by Color Shot. Color Shot is now my new spray paint that I use. It works well in my environment. Tackiness dries in literally 2 to 3 minutes. No gas off period, because it is indeed an acrylic based paint. So I literally was able to spray the base and go straight in with these acrylic paints. Using just regular acrylic paints. I think it's the Apple Bottom brand or something like that from Michael's or Walmart. And I like bold colors. Like bold more than pastels. So I got 5 different colors: a dark blue, a teal, a yellow, a deep pink, and orange. And I am using a 3/8 inch angled acrylic paintbrush level 2. You can find it at Michael's. They're nice and stiff, so I'm able to get precise lines whenever I am painting on the tumbler. And as you can see, I'm literally just loading the paintbrush and painting on lines randomly all over the place, filling in the white spots, using all the different colors. I'm gonna speed this bitch up right here. And yeah, just bear with me. This one's on the longer side. So let me shut the fuck up and here y'all go. Alright bitches, I'm back. Now I am going to get a wider angled brush with my white acrylic paint, and I am going to start going around the middle of the cup in diagonal directions with that white. It's okay if your paint is still wet. You want it to kind of mix. You want it to look like a burst in the middle. That's what I'm doing. It will look kind of gray, but once it dries and you do the second coat of the white, as you can see, I'm going a little slower here, the gray will start to dissipate and it'll be a bright white. See, I'm just brushing diagonally, brushing diagonally. These will never come out the same. You can put your own spin on it. And then once this dries, I will take random colors and start painting it in, just, you know, to give some final touches. But just hold on. I'm going to speed it up so we can get closer to the final result. Hold on, bitches. bitches, now look how bright that white is. I still had a couple places to touch up. I touched up the white, and the next step is epoxy. So here we go. All right, so now that the tumbler has 2 coats of epoxy on it, I am going to add my glitter. I sanded the surface a little bit, and I am going to get my Mod Podge, a little tiny brush, and this is where the magic happens. So I dip my brush into the Mod Podge, and I start painting on random lines like I did before. Lines and random spots, and I add a gold micro chunky glitter to it. I use Telebox Crafts Egyptian Treasures for this. It just makes this cup pop. I didn't want a lot of glitter, so I just did it in 4 or 5 little areas, the hand. And just look at this bit. Now I will add 2 final coats of epoxy, and it'll be done. I hope this helps y'all. Thank y'all for hanging out and, watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe, bitches. Love you.